Alright, here again, Henry Ford Museum, Dearborn. This is the farm equipment display. This place is massive. I'm going to show you a sample of what's here. Steam engine from about 1881. Henry Ford's experimental tractor. Other side. And then his first tractor, they branched out, Ford did, over into farm equipment. It says Fordson. It's supposed to be Ford and Son. Apparently, whoever made the metal things up there left off the and they did like 200 and some of those. It says Fordson. So they came to Henry Ford, told him about the mistake. He says, oh, well, that's fine. We'll just change the name of the company. So their tractors became known as the Fordson. That's a 1917 model. And that is the first one, his very first tractor. And Henry Ford, he could mass produce them and produce them cheap, and they became widely popular. 1929 Caterpillar tractor. That was a tomato harvester from 1969. 1912 milk truck. 1939 prototype of a 9-end Ford Ferguson tractor. Another Ferguson, older one. Well, not older. It's 1938 Ferguson Brown tractor. Farmall, approximately 1925 model. 1924 light steam tractor. Old steam engine tractor. 1914 Alice Chalmers. Automatic pickup baler. Forage harvester. 1950 rust cotton picker. This was circa approximately 1870, a portable combined thresher separator. It was horse-drawn to the work site. Got a 1916 steam traction engine. That thing's huge. There's the back of it. Combine from around 1938 to 40. A farm wagon from about 1900. Twine binder. 1928 corn picker husker. Big New Holland combine, I think from 1975. Nice view out, full glass, top to bottom. Alright, there's just a quick walk through of the farm equipment display here at the Henry Ford. Hope you enjoyed. Alrighty then.